Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at Willis Road. Here in the small town of Willis, Michigan, we have a train. I'm coming. Check it out, roll it. I can hear it. I'm coming now. Here it comes. Roll it. It is a eastbound train, by the way. And it is not far. Forty-eight. Car's okay. The symbol on that train is the Norfolk Southern 358. The 358 starts out in Elkhart, Indiana, heads east to Detroit, Michigan, where it terminates. I thought it was the Norfolk Southern 120 at first, but it was way too short for it to be the 120. And it would usually have a engine on the rear. So I easily know that one was not the 120. But anyway, all on this Sunday, May 11th of 2025, from CJ Compton on YouTube. Well, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope y'all enjoyed, and that is it.